What if I told you that one of the most trusted dividend ETFs in the world might be entering a completely new phase? An ETF that millions of investors rely on for passive income. An ETF that many retirees consider a core part of their portfolio. An ETF that has quietly built a reputation for combining income, stability, and long-term growth. I'm talking about SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. But recently, something interesting has been happening. The market environment is shifting. Interest rates are changing. Dividend stocks are coming back into focus. And SCHD itself may be entering a period where everything changes for investors. So the big question is this the moment when SCHD becomes one of the best opportunities in the market again? Or are investors missing risks that could impact returns going forward? In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about SCHD. We'll cover why SCHD became one of the most popular ETFs in the world, what is changing in the market right now, why dividend investing could be entering a new cycle, the biggest risks investors need to understand, and most importantly, is now the time to buy SCHD. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this and remember to comment and share. Let's dive in. What SCHD actually is. Before we talk about what's changing, we need to understand what SCHD actually does. SCHD tracks the Dow Jones U.S. Dividend 100 Index. The ETF focuses on high-quality dividend-paying companies in the United States. But here's where SCHD becomes different from many dividend ETFs. It doesn't simply chase the highest yield. Instead, it focuses on companies with strong balance sheets, consistent dividend growth, high return on equity, stable earnings, sustainable payout ratios. This means SCHD is designed to invest in companies that can continue paying and growing dividends for years or even decades. That's one reason investors trust it. Why SCHD became so popular. SCHD didn't become a favorite overnight. Its popularity exploded because it delivered three powerful things investors love. 1. Strong dividend yield. SCHD historically offers a yield higher than the broader market. While the S&P 500 often yields around 1.2% to 1.5%, SCHD frequently yields closer to 3% or more. That makes it attractive for retirees, income investors, passive income seekers. 2. Dividend growth. The real magic of SCHD is not just yield. It's dividend growth. Over the past decade, SCHD's dividend has grown significantly. That means investors who bought years ago are now earning much higher income than when they started. Dividend growth is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in the stock market. 3. Lower volatility. Compared to growth-heavy ETFs like tech funds, SCHD often experiences smaller drawdowns during market volatility. Why? Because dividend-paying companies tend to be profitable, mature businesses, financially stable. That combination can make SCHD a smoother ride during market corrections. What is changing right now? Now we reach the most important part of the video. The reason many investors are suddenly asking about SCHD again. Because the market environment is changing. Several major forces are shifting at the same time. Change number 1, interest rates. For several years, rising interest rates hurt dividend stocks. When interest rates rise, bonds become more attractive, investors move money out of dividend stocks, high-yield assets often decline. But now, markets are beginning to expect rate cuts or stabilization. When rates fall or stabilize, dividend stocks often become much more attractive again. That could bring a lot of investor capital back into funds like SCHD. Change number 2, valuation differences. Another major shift happening right now is the valuation gap between growth stocks and dividend stocks. technology companies have experienced massive price increases. Meanwhile, many dividend stocks have lagged behind. This creates a situation where value investors start paying attention. When markets rotate from growth to value, dividend ETFs like SCHD can outperform. Change number 3, retirement demand. Millions of people are entering retirement age. And retirees need income. Not speculation. Not hype stocks. They need consistent cash flow. Dividend ETFs like SCHD provide exactly that. This demographic trend alone could increase demand for dividend ETFs over the next decade. SCHD portfolio breakdown. Let's look inside the ETF. SCHD typically holds about 100 companies. Many of these are extremely well-known businesses. Examples often include companies like Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, Home Depot, Verizon, Cisco, Texas Instruments. These are companies that generate massive cash flow. They pay dividends because they already dominate their industries. And that makes SCHD very different from speculative tech ETFs. The power of dividend reinvestment. One reason SCHD can be so powerful over long periods is dividend reinvestment. Imagine you invest $10,000 into SCHD. Each quarter you receive dividend payments. If those dividends are reinvested into more shares, something powerful happens. Your income begins to grow faster. Over time, shares increase, dividends increase, compounding accelerate. This is why many long-term investors hold dividend ETFs for decades. SCHD versus other dividend ETFs. To understand SCHD better, it helps to compare it to other dividend ETFs. Many investors compare SCHD to VYM, VIG, DGRO. Each has different strategies. Some focus on dividend growth. Others focused on high yield. SCHD sits in a very attractive middle ground. It combines solid yield, dividend growth, quality screening. This balance is why many investors consider SCHD one of the best dividend ETFs available. The risks of SCHD. No investment is perfect. Even SCHD has risks investors should understand. Risk 1, slower growth. Because SCHD focuses on mature companies, it may grow slower than aggressive growth ETFs during bull markets. Funds focused on technology sometimes outperform during rapid innovation cycles. Risk 2, sector concentration. Dividend ETFs often have large exposure to sectors like financials, industrials, consumer staples. This means SCHD may underperform if these sectors struggle. Risk 3, dividend cuts. Although SCHD selects high-quality companies, dividends are never guaranteed. Economic downturns can cause companies to reduce payouts. The case for buying SCHD now. So why some investors suddenly becoming bullish on SCHD again? Several reasons. First, dividend stocks appear relatively undervalued compared to growth stocks. Second, interest rate pressure may be easing. Third, income investing is becoming more popular. Fourth, SCHD continues to maintain low expense ratios and high-quality holdings. All of these factors together create a scenario where SCHD could experience a renewed cycle of investor demand. Who SCHD is best for? SCHD is not for every investor. But it can be extremely powerful for certain strategies. SCHD may be ideal for long-term investors, retirement portfolios, passive income investors, dividend growth investors. Investors seeking aggressive short-term growth might prefer tech-focused ETFs. But investors seeking stability and income often favor SCHD. Long-term outlook. Looking forward over the next 10 to 20 years, several trends may favor dividend ETFs. Population aging. Income demand. Market rotations between growth and value. Rising interest in passive investing. SCHD sits directly at the intersection of these trends. which is why many investors continue to consider it a core portfolio holding. So, is everything about to change for SCHD? Possibly. The market environment that hurt dividend stocks for several years may finally be shifting. If that happens, SCHD could once again become one of the most attractive ETFs for income-focused investors. But as always, investing requires patience. Dividend ETFs work best when held for years, not weeks. For investors focused on long-term income and stability, SCHD remains one of the most interesting ETFs to watch. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. The ETFs and investment strategies discussed in this video are examples and may not be suitable for every investor. Always conduct your own research and consider consulting with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.